Well, even though it's a little bit cloudy out, there's nothing like the smell of juicy burgers on the grill on a summer day, huh?
Oh, the entire newsroom is going to be gathering out on the patio. Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is with us today. Hi, Angie.
Wow.
It smells great out here.
I know. I've got some fun recipes.
Okay, what is the secret to a perfect burger?
Well, like I told you, I think just not having your grill too hot. Be patient. I like to grill burgers on low, even maybe a medium low, but I use a higher fat content ground beef too. So I just buy a 80-20 ground beef. I don't spend the extra money on a real lean ground beef because on the grill you're going to lose a lot of those juices through your grill grates. So
that's a good point.
It keeps it nice and juicy. I try to not leave the grill too because with that extra fat you might have some flare-ups, so keep an eye on it, but keep it low, and then use your meat thermometer. So invest in an Insta-Read meat thermometer if you don't have one. I always use it when I'm grilling because I feel like I have less control on the grill than my oven. And then you want to bring all ground meats up to 160 degrees.
Okay.
So one thing
what
to
did
think
you
about
make today?
Okay, so I have, first off, let's do this one. It's a mushroom Merlot burger.
Oh,
so
fancy.
I grilled portobello mushroom caps the same time as my beef patty, and I put them on the bottom. And I've got these really fun brioche buns that I grilled too. One lettuce leaf, like a romaine lettuce leaf. And then in the patty, I have salt and pepper and fresh parsley, just for a little extra flavor. It's nice to add fresh herbs to your patties because you're not adding fat, you're just adding flavor. So then I went ahead and I made Merlot Reduction. So a cup of Merlot, a little bit of beef stock, some shallots, some fresh thyme, a little garlic, and kind of reduce this a little bit, thicken it a little bit. You can add a little butter and flour at the end to make it thick. And it seems like a little different for this beef burger, but it's really good. It's a little sweet. And then we're gonna add a little tang with some goat cheese.
This is an interesting combination.
I know.
I would have never thought of this.
This is it's kind of like a flavor explosion in your mouth. Because you've got that great beef patties and the mushroom, but then you've got that tangy goat cheese, but then the hot, kind of warm, sweet Merlot sauce. It's really, really good. Give it a try.
Great if you have some red wine in the fridge that you need to use.
And it only takes a cup, so maybe if you
some for the
have
cook, some for the burger.
Exactly, exactly. So my second recipe, I just did some sliders. And I'm going to put them on some Bib or butter lettuce.
Low carb.
Low carb. And then this is called an Italian smash burger, Napoleon, kind of a funky name, but it's going to have a lot of flavor too. I'm going to use this. So then I just got some great ricotta. So I'm going to actually put ricotta in the middle of my sliders. I'm going to top these with 2 more little sliders.
You know, this kind of shows me that, you know, you can make a great burger with about anything in your fridge if you have some ingredients.
You kind of can. If you have ingredients you want to use, go to beeftips.com, use that search button, and type in your ingredients in burger and see what comes up.
They have really good flavor profiles.
Yeah,
that you can
exactly.
look at.
So then the recipe has a homemade spinach pesto that you can make right in the food processor. Spinach, some fresh lemon juice, a little almond.
Oh, that couldn't be healthier.
And then, okay, this is kind of fun. It's a little different. So it's a jerky chutney. So it's almost like a homemade marmalade. I've never done that before, but it was really easy. I did red onion and some shallots and kind of browned them up, a little bit of oil, some brown sugar, some sherry, cooking sherry, and then you put your beef jerky in at the end.
Just the beef jerky you buy at the store? You cut it up in
and I
small
chopped
pieces?
it up. It's sweet. It's like a marmalade kind of chutney.
Does it make the jerky a little less tough when it?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is cold because I made it ahead of time, but if you do it hot, for sure, and then I, of course, nibbled on it while I was making it.
That's always the best part.
It was good. So yeah, an Italian smash burger, mushroom Merlot burgers. Beeftips.com is our Wisconsin Beef Council website. Click on As Seen on TV. You'll find these plus hundreds and hundreds of other great recipes there. We've got all of our burger information featured this month.
You should enter the information, and then we'll make a Brady burger.
Okay.
The next, we'll see what you came up with.
That'll be fun.
We could do that.
Yes. Thank you, Angie. Good to see you.
You too.